Oh. Depende sa ang sa given. Kailangan basta yung ang sa given na unit. Yung number 16, 4/5 plus 1/2 plus 3 over x equals 41 over 20. Find the value of x. Just combine all these fractions and or the constants to get your x value. So this equation will become 3 over x equals 41 over 20 minus 4 over 5. That's minus because you transpose it to the opposite side. So 4 over 5, and also your 1/2 will become negative sign. Will become negative 1/2 rather. Okay. 3 over x equals your LCD here is 20 because it's divisible by both 5 and 2. So LCD equals 20. So 20 divided by 20 is 1 times 41 is 41. So over 20 minus 20 divided by 5 is 4 times 4, 16 over 20 minus 20 divided by 2 is 10 times 1, 10 over 20. Now combine. So 3 over x equals 41 minus 16 is 25 minus 10, 15. So 15 over 20. 15 and 20 are divisible by 5. So you can reduce these two lowest term. Okay, 15 divided by 5 is 3. And 20 divided by 5 is 4. Then your 3x is equal to 3/4. Then cross multiply. So 3 times x equals 3 times 4, which is 12. Then divide both sides by 3. So 3x divided by 3 is x. And 12 divided by 3 is 4. So your answer is 4, and that's letter A. Number 17, if m over 24 equals 0.625, what is the numerical value of m? A 12, B 13, C 14, D 15, E 16. Okay, if m, okay, we'll write m over 24 equals 0.625. So 6 to 5. So to get the value of m, just cross multiply. Multiply 24 by 0.625. Then get the product. So your m equals, you can also solve your 24 times 0.625 by 20 times 0.625 plus 4 times 0.625. Okay, so m is, okay, 20 times 0.625, just copy 0. Then 2 times 5 is 10. Then 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. And then 2 times 6 is 12. So 12. Okay, count the decimal place of 0.625. So 3 decimal place, so your decimal point is here. And then plus 4 times 0.625. Okay, 4 times 5 is 20. 20. So 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2 is 10. Then 4 times 6 is 24 plus 1 is 25. So count the decimal place of your 6.625 again. You have 3. So your decimal point is here between 2 and 5. So that's 2.5. And then add the 2 values. So your M is equals 12.5 plus 2.5 equals 15. So your answer is letter D. 18. What part of y is x? Okay, what a question. What part of y? Y. U is your x. Okay, your x is just part of you. And it can never be you. Just part of you. Okay. So, your x is part of y. That means your x is over your y. Over y. Example, you are given 50 items in your math test. And then you scored only 20. So, your y there is the number of items. And your x is your score. So, that is x over y. Your score over the total score. So, what part of y is x? Means x over y. Just a portion of y. So, your x is just a portion of you. Okay, joke. Okay, what part of y is x? The answer for this is letter B. X over y. Just a portion of you. Joke. 19. Which of the following groups of numbers are multiples of 6 between 81 and 100? A. 84, 90. B. 86, 92. C. 84, 90, 96. D. 86, 92, 98. E. 88, 94, 100. Okay, now remember our divisibility rules by 6. Okay, a number is divisible by 6 if it is an even number and divisible by 3. How do you know that a number is divisible by 3? If the sum of the digits of that number is divisible by 3. Example for letter A, 84. You add 8 plus 4. So that's 12. So 12 is divisible by 3. And also your 90. 99 is divisible by 3. 9 plus 0, 9. Divisible by 3. So letter A is divisible by 6. Now, let's try letter B. 86. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 is not divisible by 3. So letter B is wrong. Letter C. 84. 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay. Divisible by 3 or divisible by 6. 90. So 9 divisible by 3. Even number 90. So it's divisible by 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. It's divisible by 3. And 96 is even number. So this is correct. Now for number letter D. 8 plus 6, 14. So it's not divisible by 3. Okay, wrong. So this is wrong. Now for letter E. 88, 94, 100. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, it's not divisible by 6. So, letter B, D, and E are wrong. So, your choices now are A and C. The question is, which of the following groups of numbers are multiples of 6 between 81 and 100? So, between 81 and 100. So, your A is 8490. Your C is 8490, 96. Therefore, your answer is letter C because 96 still belongs to between a number between 81 and 100. Right? So, letter C is your answer. This one. So, this is your answer, letter C. Apche. So, Now for number 20, what is the value of m minus n over m plus n when m equals 1/3 and n equals 3/4? Okay, our values for m and n are given, so substitute these values to this expression. So your n is 1/3, then minus n, which is 3/4, and then enclose this in parentheses. So over m is 1/3, then plus 3/4. Okay. So 1/3 minus 3/4, they have different denominators. So our LCD is 12. So 12 divided by 3 is 4 times 1 is 4. So 4 over 12. Then 12 divided by 4 is 3. Times 3 is 9. So 9 over 12. Okay. Over. So in your denominator, 12 divided by 3 is 4 times 1 is 4 over 12. Then plus 12 divided by 4 is 3 times 3 is 9. So 9 over 12. Okay, combine. So 4 minus 9 is negative 5. So this is negative 5 over 12. Then over 4 plus 9, 13 over 12. Now 12 is present in both numerator and denominator. So let's cancel out 12. So 12, this 12 can be cancelled out, and then what's left is minus 5 over 13. Then our answer is letter B. Okay. Number 21. 20 is 125% of what number? A 7, B 9, C 10, D 16, E 19. 125% of what number? Let X be that number. So 125%, that is equal to 1.25 of X. So times X equals 20. Then divide both sides by 1.25. So 1.25x divided by 1.25 is x equals 20 over 1.25. Next, x equals 20. What is 1.25 over 1 and 1/4? And 1 and 1/4 is 1 and 1/4. Okay, insert. Okay, so next, x equals 20 over 1 and 1/4 is 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5 over 4. So this parenthesis 5 over 4. So x then is equal to 20 divided by 5. 20 is divisible by 5. So 20 divided by 5 is 4 over, and then 5 divided by 5 is 1 over 4. Okay. After that, x is equal to 4 times the reciprocal of 1/4. So that is 4 times 4. So 4 times 4. And this is equal to 16. Okay. Letter D is our answer.